Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Explanation. In this video tutorial, I will be discussing about C programming MCQ questions part 2. So part 1 video I have already uploaded, so you can check in our channel. And this MCQ questions part 2 will be important for competitive exam, Viva and PSC exams. So first question is, correct way of committing a single line is, okay. So slash star, so this is not a correct way. Slash slash, so this is correct way for single line. Let's see the next options. So slash star printf and ends with star slash, so this is for multiple line committing, okay. Slash single slash, so this is not correct way. So option B is correct for this. Question number 2, dash is a picture in which the flow of computational path are depicted, okay. So in the form of pictorial depiction, it is done in flowchart, okay. So flowchart is the correct answer. Next is, the function scanf is used to take the logical decision. No. Input a set of values. Yes. Print a set of values. We use printer. Do mathematical manipulation. No. So option B is correct answer. Next is, an identifier may contain, okay. So it may contain, I think you have studied, I hope you all have studied the rule for identifier, okay. So it contains letter A Z, small a to z, capital A to z in basic character set. Yes. Underscore symbol. Yes. Numbers 0 to 9. Yes. So our option D is the correct answer. Next is, if a function return no value, then it is called, okay. So if a function return no value, then it is called void function. So option number D is correct. Find a character constant, okay. So anything that comes within single quote, that is a character constant, okay. So the answer is A, small a, I, dollar, hash. So all of this is correct answer. Next is, which of the following operators has highest precedency? So I hope you all have studied precedency table, precedency and associativity table. So that is important for exam 2, for theory exam 2. So in that table, if you have studied, you have seen star, divide, multiply, divide and modulo all have same precedency. Next is, each statement in C should end with, okay. So this is one of the important question for theory also. So it's like, why we put semicolon at the end of every C statement, okay. So that question I'll be covering in theory portion. So the correct answer is semicolon. So colon no, period no, none of the above no, okay. So this was the end of our MCQ question part 2. Hope you understood this. So next I'll be coming with C programming MCQ question part 3. So be updated and thank you for subscribing our channel. Stay safe.